Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of What's Your Hobby. In today's episode, we are going to learn how to make a DIY cardboard photo frame. So let's start the video. Take 4 cardboard strips of size 15 x 2 cm. Now cover these strips with the help of a colored paper to make them look more attractive. Join them as shown in the video to make the base of the photo frame. I am using glitter pipe cleaners to make flowers so that I can decorate my photo frame. Now take a small green colored square paper and cut it from half as shown in video. Start folding the paper as shown to make the leaves. Now paste a cardboard at the back side so that we can insert the photo inside it. Insert your photo and your DIY cardboard photo frame is ready. If you like the video, then please press the like button and also subscribe to our channel. In the next video, we will come up with some more interesting ideas for creating beautiful photo frames. Thank you.